The drug of choice for treatment of leprosy is answer Dapsone. When a client is diagnosed as having gonorrhea, the nurse should expect the physician to order dash. Answer is penicillin. Erosion of the skin is known as dash. Answer is ulcer. The repair for cystocele is known as anterior colporrhaphy. Foodborne infection affecting both men and animals is termed as salmonellosis. When caring for a client with scabies, the nurse should aware that scabies is dash. Answer is highly contagious. Inflammation of connective tissue sac about a joint is known as bursitis. A serious complication that may follow a fracture is answer fat embolism. Removal of the contents of the eye with retention of sclera is termed as answer evisceration. Most common form of skin traction is Buck's extension. Decreased urine output below 400 ml per day is known as oliguria. When the client awakens with abdominal pain at 2 am or 3 am, this condition is usually diagnosed as answer is peptic ulcer. Surgical management for nephroptosis is nephropexy to limit the symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux. Answer avoid heavy lifting. Folic acid is often prescribed with phenytoin because folic acid answer is absorption from food is inhibited by phenytoin. Discomfort after ingesting fatty acid. Discomfort after ingesting fatty foods because bile flow into the intestine is obstructed. One of the food groups lowest in the natural sodium is fruits. The primary cause of essential hypertension is generalized arteriosclerosis. The important feature of Adams-Stroke syndrome is syncope and low ventricular rate. Ammonia is excreted by kidney to help to maintain dash acid-base balance of body. The position of a patient who is recovering from general anesthesia is side-lying position. The highest incidence of Hodgkin's disease is in answer is young adults. Subdural hematoma is a blood collection between dura and subarachnoid matter. The occurrence of chronic illness is greatest in older adults. General method of testing muscle stretch reflex is through mechanical stimulation of the muscle spindles, though stretching and by tapping a tendon or a bone by flipping a digit. Answer is Hoffman sign. The laboratory test for the diagnosis of arthritis is antinuclear antibody. An outpocketing of mucosa resulting in high intracolonic pressure is diverticulosis. The major characteristic of hypovolemic phase of burn is fluid shift from vascular compartment to interstitial compartment. When assessing a child with croup, the nurse would expect to find answer is laryngospasm and barking cough. Scleroderma is caused due to autoimmunity. While doing an ear irrigation in an adult, the earlobe is lifted upward and backward. Name the cytology test used for detection of cancer of cervix. Answer is Papani-Colau test. Benign tumor of blood vessels known as hemangioma. The most common surgical procedure for breast cancer is modified radical mastectomy. Diffuse inflammation of soft tissue beneath the skin and mucous membrane is known as cellulitis. Crohn's disease is also known as regional enteritis. A condition of peptic ulcer with non-insulin producing islet cell tumor of pancreas is Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. The nurse is aware that many of the chemotherapeutic agents used in treatment of cancer cause bone marrow depression. A pacemaker performs the function of SA node. The joints most likely to be involved in osteoarthritis patient are the hip and knees. Most serious complication associated with chronic inflammation of bowel is perforation. The probable cause of spontaneous pneumothorax is a rupture of subpleural bulb. Infection with group A beta hemolytic streptococci is associated with rheumatic fever. The surgical removal of the vermiform appendix is called Answer, appendectomy. A seizure that is characterized by an abrupt loss of consciousness that occurs without any sign is called petit mal seizure. Emergency medical treatment for bleeding esophageal varices but does not control bleeding is gastric suctioning. A malignant disorder that produces painless enlargement of lymph nodes is known as, answer, Hodgkin's disease. The best test that a physician might perform to determine the underlying cause of uterine pain is laparoscopy. The surgery performed for retinal detachment is scleral buckling. A Pott's fracture is a type of fracture of the spine angle. A venereal disease caused by a spirochete is called syphilis. The most important aspect of hand washing is creating friction. The hormones responsible for the menstrual cycle are gonadotropins, estrogen, and progesterone. Before administering digoxin, the nurse should obtain apical heart rate. A skin disorder characterized by elevated erythematous, sharply circumscribed scaling plaque is termed as psoriasis. A small growth caused by virus that lodges in the skin. It is known as wart. A serious complication of rheumatic fever is rheumatic heart disease. The highly malignant congenital neoplasm that arises from retina is retinoblastoma. Causative organism of scabies is Sarcoptes scabi. Diminished power of accommodation for near objects incident to advancing age is known as presbyopia. Prolonged profuse menstrual flow during regular period is known as menorrhagia. A condition caused by irregular curvature of cornea is astigmatism. The medication that a burn client usually receives soon after admission. Answer is tetanus toxoid. Leather-like thickening of outer skin layer is called lichenification. A progressive condition in which normal bone of the inner ear is replaced by abnormal osseous tissue is known as otosclerosis. Aesthetic surgery for hypoplastic breast are called augmentation mammoplasty. The organism that causes trichomonas infection is a protozoan. The large amount of progesterone secreted during secretory phase of menstrual cycle is responsible for, answer, sustaining the thick endometrium of the uterus. The condition in which a fold of vagina which may protrude outside the vaginal orifice is known as colpoceal. Cholesterol is important in the human body for cellular membrane structure. The doctor ordered for a patient 1 lakh unit of penicillin. At hand, there is a vial containing 20 lakh units diluted in 10 ml. How many ml will be given to the patient? Answer is 5 ml. If the client becomes extremely drowsy and the pulse respiration increase followed by spontaneous pneumothorax may indicate hypercapnia. Immediate postoperative complication of splenectomy is hemorrhage and abdominal distension. Captopril is an example of antihypertensive. Lactated ringer solution is known as Hartmann solution. After thoracentesis, the most important observation is expectoration of blood. Intramedullary nailing is used in treatment of, answer, fracture of the shaft of the femur. The most common type of anemia is iron deficiency anemia. Vitamin K is an antidote of warfarin. Kimmelstein-Wilson syndrome is called diabetic nephropathy. The primary consideration when caring for a client with rheumatoid arthritis is, answer is, comfort. When assessing a patient with Meniere's disease, the nurse should expect the patient to experience, answer is, nystagmus. A complication of prolonged use of steroid medication, answer is, elevated C-reactive protein. Purulent lesions of the skin involving sebaceous glands and hair follicles, answer is, boils. The most common problem affecting women's breast, answer is, fibrocystic disorder. When performing tracheostomy care, the nurse must maintain sterile technique during the procedure. The nurse should know that discharge teaching for a client with glaucoma was effective when the client stated, I should restrict my fluid intake. Acute salpingitis is most commonly the result of gonorrhea. A condition occur in the inner ear due to increased production or decreased absorption of endolymph is Meniere's disease. The most commonly ordered test of renal function is serum creatinine and blood urea nitrogen. An important nursing intervention specific for patients with Addison's disease is protecting from exhaustion. Normal intracranial pressure is 5 to 15 millimeter of Hg. Thiamine chloride and nicotinic acid is essential for a client with alcoholism because these are needed for maintenance of nervous system. A diabetic insipidus client can be presented with dash answer is low specific gravity of urine. Cushing syndrome may be associated with diabetes mellitus because glucocorticoids accelerate the process of gluconeogenesis. The effect of nurse-client communication best validated by client feedback. A patient with cardiac problem who is on high unsaturated fatty acid diet, the nurse should instruct to increase the intake of dash answers, vegetables and whole grains. Nasogastric tube feeding should be administered slowly in order to minimize the hazards of answers regurgitation. Stasis of urine is known to predispose to the drug formation of phosphatic stone. Complete lung expansion before the removal of chest tubes is evaluated by comparison of chest radiographs. For the diagnosis of multiple myeloma, the test done is Bence-Jones protein. Desmopressin acetate is a drug of choice for diabetes insipidus. The effectiveness should be evaluated by the client's dash answer is intake and output. To control bleeding in a child with hemophilia A, nurse would expected to give answer is factor VIII concentrates. Acid-fast bacilli in sputum refers to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Important symptom of salicylate intoxication is confusion. Bath used for the treatment of psoriasis is tar bath. The part of ear which contains receptors for hearing is known as cochlea. A new method of cataract extraction is called phacoemulsification. Compact bone is stronger than cancellous bone because of its greater density. Pain in breast is termed as answer is mastodynia. Surgery to correct strabismus must be performed answer is before 6 months. Most peptic ulcer occurring region in the stomach is the pyloric portion. When a client is receiving anticoagulants, the nursing care should include observation for dash. Answer is epitaxis. When assessing a patient with Cushing syndrome, the nurse would expect buffalo hump and cold intolerance. Elderly people have high incidence of hip fracture due to dash answer is fragility of bone. A simplest test for varicose vein is answer is Trendelenburg test. Most common intracranial tumor is answer is glioma. The risk of osteoporosis is increased when a client receiving long-term steroid therapy. After total hip replacement surgery, the nurse should avoid placing the client on the affected side. The laboratory test that nurse should refer to in reference to the diagnosis of arthritis is antinuclear antibody. Test used for diagnosing vestibular disease, electronystagmography, a disease that can arise from normal microbial flora, especially after prolonged antibiotic therapy, is candidiasis. The ability to adjust vision from far to near object is answer is accommodation. The maximum safe height of enema can during administration of enema is 45 cm. Client with pyrexia will most likely demonstrate increased pulse rate. The drug of first choice for ventricular fibrillation is epinephrine hydrochloride. An abscess develops around the roof of a tooth is called periapical abscess. The nurse should suspect hypokalemia when a client has apathy, weakness and abdominal distension. An overexercised muscle that has an insufficient oxygen supply may be due to the formation of lactic acid. The most appropriate diet for a client with Graves' disease would be high caloric diet. While instructing glycerin therapy, the most important fact is to answer store the medication in a dark container. Erosions of the cervix are common when the normal acidity of vagina is altered. A manifestation of cancer of cervix that should have brought the client to the gynecologist is answer is blood spotting after intercourse. Disease associated with upper motor lesion is cerebral. A skin graft that is taken from another portion of a client versus own body known as autograft. Dilation of spermatic vein is known as varicocele. An infection that involves the soft tissue of the fingertip is known as phelon. The most common site for cancer cell growth in the cervix is at the columnar squamous junction. The first aid treatment for acid burns on the skin is to flush them with water and then apply solution of sodium bicarbonate. Benign tumor of cartilage is known as chondroma. A skin condition characterized by enormous vesicles is known as pemphigus. When receiving a douche, the best position for a client to assume would be the dorsal recumbent position. The examination of the angle of the anterior chamber of the eye with a magnifying device is known as gonioscopy. A client with osteomyelitis has been immobilized for 3 weeks. He may develop renal calculi as a complication because lack of muscle action and normal tension cause calcium withdrawal from bone. Osteoporosis may be caused by prolonged immobility. When assessing a client with primary open-angle glaucoma, the ocular symptom that arise should expect the client to exhibit is constant blurred vision. Kala-azar is transmitted by a vector called sandfly. A client has chest tubes attached to a chest tube drainage system. When caring for this client, the nurse should palpate surrounding area for crepitus. Loop diuretics acts under the principle of dash. Answer is osmosis. When obtaining central venous pressure reading, the nurse should place the client in answer is dorsal recumbent position. A therapeutic diet for a client recovering from an acute episode of alcoholism would be answer is protein to moderate fat, high calorie and high vitamin. The pain associated with a coronary occlusion is caused primarily by ischemia of heart muscle. The procedure done for interruption of pain conducting pathway in spinal cord is known as cordotomy. A temporary ileostomy is changed. Answer is every 3 to 4 days. The most important complication that can occur after mastectomy is answer is lymphedema. The pathology report of the patient shows metastatic adenocarcinoma of the breast. The client is to receive a drain in which modifies the growth of cancer cells by inhibiting RNA synthesis by binding DNA. A superficial skin disease produced by streptococci in association with staphylococci is known as impetigo. A woman menstruates regularly every 30 days. Her last menses started in January 1st. She will most probably ovulate again on January 17th. The drug which blocks accommodation is called cycloplegics. Decreased gas exchange in the lungs resulting from interference respiration is asphyxia. Patient returns to the unit fully awake following bronchoscopy and biopsy. The nurse should answer is evaluate the presence of gag reflex. Infection of bone by pyogenic bacteria is known as osteomyelitis. An early symptom of cancer of larynx is hoarseness. The most widely used form of skin traction is Russell traction. The most important point in nursing care of a patient after tracheostomy answer is oxygen administration. Most common organism causing pelvic inflammatory disease is gonococcus. A client after end arteriotomy should observe for a change in answer is skin color. Screening test for detection of gastric achlorhydria answer is 2 plus gastric analysis. Deep infection of the tissues of the floor of the mouth is called answer is Ludwig's angina. The laboratory tests for confirmation myocardial infarction include answer is LDH, CKMB and AST. Before discontinuing the airborne precaution to pulmonary tuberculosis patient, the nurse must determine that no acid-fast bacteria present in sputum. Cardioversion is most treatment of ventricular tachycardia. A pigskin graft may be applied to burned areas. This graft is known as heterograft. A patient with prolapsed uterus is scheduled for vaginoplasty. Preoperatively, the nurse may expect to apply moist compresses. Incision into the eardrum is known as myringotomy. Normal eye refers to emetropia. The surgery done for chronic sinusitis is Caldwell-Luck operation. A skin disorder resulting from decreased circulation to the skin. Answer is Staph dermatitis. Gram-negative diplococci found in vaginous smear are presumed to be gonococci. The drug which is effective against a wide variety of pathogenic gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria is answer is garamycin. Reconstruction of a joint is known as arthroplasty. Reconstruction of the external nose is termed as rhinoplasty. Initial drug of choice in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis is methotrexate. The standard drug used in the treatment of gout answer is colchicine. The hormones responsible for proliferation phase of menstruation are follicle stimulating hormone and estrogen. Candidiasis of mucous membrane is known as thrush. Name one adjunctive therapy for client with refractory myasthenia gravis. Answer is plasmapheresis.